Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to use full screen navigation on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, knowing how to use full screen navigation on your device provides a more immersive and streamlined experience when navigating through applications and menus. Full screen navigations hide the traditional navigation buttons and utilize gesture instead, allowing you to swipe and tap directly on the screen to navigate. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, enter to the settings menu on your device. Okay, next the canceling display option. After that, scroll down the page and tap on navigation bar menu. Well, so here activate swipe gestures option. So the way to use it, first to go home, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Then to switch applications, swipe up from the bottom, hold and release. And the last, to go back, swipe from either the left or right edge. Well, that's the tutorial on how to use full screen navigation on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.